Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I just picked up the car from Rad Rides in Huntington Beach and made it all the way to my house. I got the headers wrapped, everything nice and beautiful. Got the intake over here, got the intake popping off. So basically these freaking headers are amazing. They're amazing. They added a lot of horsepower to it. Especially at the top end, I could feel a big difference, especially going from 100 plus miles an hour. So beautiful, performance gain, awesome. But I have one serious problem, man. So with the NVIDIA mid pipe and the Remark axle back, it's pretty much straight piped, right? So right around like 2,500 RPM, there's like this crazy raspy noise, and it sounds horrible. Listen. Oh my god, horrible, dude. That rasp, insane. Hold on. No, I'm pretty sure. Okay, yeah, go for it. We'll hear it from outside. Go like right around, like halfway, bro. We can pick up the rasp pretty easy. Dude, it sounds epic. It sounds epic, but I need this rasp to go away, man. And so I'm headed to my boy Torres Automotive in Riverside off of Whole Street, and we're gonna throw some resonators on it, and we're gonna see what it sounds like after that. So right now we got a before. Go for it one more time, brother. Oh yeah. Check out these babies, some R1 concepts. Go ahead, one more time, big dog. Nice. All right, so hopefully that takes care of the problem, man. You guys wish me luck because I cannot drive the car like this, man. Yeah, PPE headers, NVIDIA mid pipe, Remark axle back. You're gonna need some resonators. Get rid of that rasp. So if you're straight piped, man, it's too raspy. Get rid of it or do something about it. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. Just wish me luck. Later. So my boy Rudy came to the rescue. He's gonna weld in some resonators right here. He's gonna move this over, because if you notice, on this side and this side, it doesn't line up. So over here we got like a finger width. Over here's it's nothing. So big dog Rudy, man, came to the rescue, bro. I appreciate you, man. Torres Automotive, bro. Bam. Way better, bro. Way better, bro. Way better. Cause
you know more than I do.
Do you still think it's a little raspy? Like a little bit?
A little noise. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know if it's up here or back here.
Oh, there's probably like some kind of vibration. It might be.
That last little.
It's like a whistle, or like a. Oh, like a little. Oh, I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Maybe like a little hole back there.
Oh, it's a rattle.
Oh, it's a rattle?
Good. That rasp went away, dang.
The rasp went away. The rasp went away.
It almost sounds like a turbo blow-off valve.
That's what I was telling him. Yeah. But I was like, I don't know if that sounds right, but who cares, bro?
No, it doesn't sound bad.
It's way better than the rasp, though.
Yeah,
and that's what we were after, bro.